Hey, we're back. Okay, so we had a little phone incident. We've switched phones, and just in time, they are kicking off the grand entry now. I think that the storytelling will continue throughout the entire dancing, but now I think that the dancers are on, and the introductions are over, so let's go up and have a look and see what's going on, okay? So a couple things. If you ever go to a powwow or a wasipi, whatever they're calling it, anyone can dance. You don't have to be Native American to dance. All you have to do is feel it in your heart, and everyone is welcome to go out there. You go in a circle, and you just move around, and you can do anything you want. But they do ask that you be respectful of the culture that you're joining out there on the dancing area. And, so you'll see people who are not in regalia. You'll see people who are. I'm going to stop talking. Let's go.
Once again. One has done like this here. They call a tail part. Don't stop singing, then they put a tail part. Then he was able to walk off, sit down. That was one of our traditional songs, a style of dancing a long time ago. Until the next drum will sing, but they didn't put a tail, you stayed out there and you visited. You got to clean it. That's how they did it. Until they put a song, the arena director, whoever was saying, put a tail now. Then you can take a rest. You can go sit down. I wonder if we should do this for about 4 or 5 hours. I'd like that. Yeah, because I'm sitting up here in the breeze. Huh? Yeah. All right, we're going to go ahead down there again to another co-host here. We'll thank Hukai for a good song here. Beat goes on. Winona country, Winona, Minnesota country. The proud nation of the Green Bay Packers. You see that? If you know the difference in songs, you can see it. You'll hear it today. right. All right. Little bit. Hold hands. Geez, after 33 years, you think you'll still be holding hands. All right. Hey, how many are Norwegians here? Put your hands up, please. All right. How many come from the country of Germany? Put your hands up. Good. How many of you come from the land of, let's see, what country is over there? Austria. Anybody from Austria? How about Australia? Nobody? Where? Where else? Ireland. Anybody there? Irish? Cool. Good. All the ones sitting over here, if you're Irish, German, or what's the other one? Norwegian. How about Scotland? Anybody from Scotland? Originally Scotland descent? Yeah. How about the rest of you? What are you? All right, come into the circle, all of you. We're going to dance together. Unity. All right, into the circle. All the ones that put your hand up proudly of who you are. Come on, be proud. Share a drum beat with us. All right, Mazakute. Come on in, people. I'm just trying to get there to get that feeling with this.
All right,
Now we're gonna
so
pick up the tempo.
we're gonna turn it off here in a second. But this is the Dakota Homecoming. It's a beautiful event in a place called Unity Park. We built it just for this event in Winona. It's one of our incredible original festivals. We have, at last count, I think 9 original festivals here in Winona. This is certainly the most cultural and historic and serious of all of them. Please come see it sometime. And also tell us where should we go next week for Facebook Live. Thanks everybody. See you next week.